So let's have an update on the leak of this brand new 2020 Kia. Well, right now it's 2022 summer. I've been away for a year and I came back and tested this repair really thoroughly for a year. And right now is also a good time to shoot this video because it's thoroughly raining, as you can hear it and see it. So the vehicle was taken to the dealership. There is a manufacturer's recall on this particular issue, that it leaks in water into the rear passenger footwell area. There on the ground it was soggy and splashy. Okay, it's in a previous video. So vehicle was taken in and they repaired it within a day. I got to drop it off and pick it up, whatever. It took 2-3 days, whatever. But so they repaired it really fast and at no cost to the owner. That would be yours truly. So let's take a look at the lack of leak and lack of water ingress. It's very straightforward. It's here. Everything here is perfectly dry, including, of course, underneath. There's absolutely no water splashing and nothing is wet. So I don't have paper towels or whatever to prove to you that it's actually dry there, but it is. The part that was replaced has its name gonna be included in the video's description box below, and the part number. It's an evaporator housing or case or canister, part of the AC system. So that is in the description box below. So Kia fixed it, and or Kia covered the cost of it, and the dealer fixed it in minimal amount of time. No more problems. There have not been one since it had been fixed. So that's for over a year in weather like this. Really rainy.